calculator?
The answer would be -1.
Right. Let's say you wanted to do it by hand. These rules right here, 1, 2, 3, means I keep the first number, I change the operation to addition, and I flip and make the opposite of the second sign, and basically I add these two to get -1. Let's look at 14. Can you guys see 14? So -4 minus a -2. So you can type that whole thing into your calculator, or you can say -4, change the sign, do the opposite. What'd you guys get?
It's negative, Sam.
-2. Alright. How about 6 minus 6?
0.
I mean, you could do that, but it's probably easiest just to say 0. Okay? Let's do one more. Let's do 28.
Positive.
Is that a 10 or just a
13 negative?
It's -13.
-3?
Because you have -3, change the sign to addition, and do the opposite of positive 10.
I knew that.
So are these kind of problems going to be on our homework tonight?
Yep.
Alright.
So, you can still use your calculators, but let's just remember certain things. Go.
It looks like you're recording.
I am.
Do you need to do that?
Yep.
Okay. So, what are we doing?
So, remember, if you have two positive integers and you multiply them, you will get a positive number. If you have two negative numbers, what kind of answer will you get? You would get
A negative.
you would get positive.
Oh.
You multiply. So if you're putting in your calculator a -4 times a -4, your result should be a positive 16. If you accidentally got a negative, you know you did something wrong. You mistyped. What happens if you have a positive and a negative?
It's a negative.
It should be a negative. What if you have a negative and a positive?
It's a negative.
It's a negative. So these rules are the same for both multiplication and division. Okay?
Yeah.
You have 9 times a -2. My answer will be negative or positive?
-18.
-18. How did you type yours in?
9 and then like the little.
So you use the symbol on the calculator?
I just typed it in exactly as it looks.
Alright, so you could type it in like this by pressing the X for multiplication. You could type it in 9, take the time to put the parentheses in. Okay? Let's see. How about number 14? What kind of answer should I have?
Oh.
Before you use your calculator. Before you use your calculator, what kind of answer should I get?
Positive.
A positive.
Should get a positive.
I know it.
What is it?
16.
16. What kind of answer should I get for 17?
Negative.
Should get a negative.
That's a -9.
And it's a negative.
3.
-18.
Negative 18.
I knew that.
Alright. Does it matter if... So if I have a negative and a positive, the answer will be a
Negative.
negative. Okay. Now let's look at some division. Like this. 8 goes into -40. Should I make you do all that or let you use your calculators?
Calculator, please.
So when you use your calculator, you can just type all of this into your calculator. And your answer should be
-6.
-6. Bryant, you do this one.
Alright. -3.
Yep. And 23. Michael.
20.
23.
Um, that is that could be a negative, right?
Yep.
20.
10 divided by negative 2. You multiplied.
5.
Negative 5.